Python for Beginners is an easy introduction to one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Learn the basics of Python syntax and start writing your first simple program step by step. This video helps beginners understand how Python works and why it is widely used in data science, AI, and automation. Perfect for students and anyone starting their programming journey. Python is a high-level programming language that is easy to learn and widely used for many types of computing tasks. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python is known for its simple and readable syntax, which makes it one of the best programming languages for beginners. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability and simplicity, allowing programmers to write clear and efficient programs with fewer lines of code compared to many other languages. Python supports multiple programming styles, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. It also has a large standard library and a vast ecosystem of third-party packages that help developers build applications quickly. Python is widely used in web development, data analysis, machine learning, automation, and bioinformatics. Because of its versatility and strong community support, Python has become one of the most popular and powerful programming languages in the world today. Snake laptop computer.